One of the three candidates for Lafayette City Court judge is Roya Boustany. Boustany is running for a seat once held by Michelle Odney, who resigned last year after a video of racial slurs being used in her home came to light. Over the past 2 days, you met two other candidates, Toby Aguillard and Jules Edwards III. Tonight and new at 6, meet Roya Boustany.
Roya Boustany is a firm believer that justice begins in the DA's office. She says she knows what it's like to give somebody a second chance.
My parents have raised me, and this community has raised me in a way that I embody the values of Lafayette.
Roya Boustany is a Lafayette native and daughter to Debbie and Nay Satradini.
My mama was a Benoit, and my daddy is a Satradini. He's the only one here. He's from Iran.
Boustany says early in life she knew politics and law would become her calling.
In other countries, we don't have the laws or the ability to be who we want to be, how we want to be.
Boustany attended Lafayette Public Schools from S.J. Montgomery to Lafayette High. She's a graduate of UL Lafayette and Southern University Law Center. Boustany and her husband, Alfred Boustany, have 3 children.
I individualize every single case. There is not a standardized case. There has never been that to me. And so as a judge, I would do the same thing. Boustany's career includes working as a law clerk to serving as a public defender. I did Jeanerette City Court, Breaux Bridge City Court, New Iberia City Court, and New Iberia District Court, doing a bunch of misdemeanors. And so the work that I would be doing at City Court, I've done it as a public defender in a lot of city courts, so I've been able to see it. Currently, Boustany is an assistant DA for the 15th Judicial District Court. She says she's tried high-profile cases that include putting violent criminals behind bars. I would practice the same way I practice right now as an attorney, and it's to be a collaborative leader, to understand the end goal, the vision, to be able to move the needle forward for Lafayette. This is the path that I was supposed to be able to give public service in a different route to Lafayette. Renee Allen, KLFY News 10.
Thank you, Renee. Roya Boustany says she also has a passion for volunteerism. In fact, she's president-elect for the Junior League of Lafayette. Election Day is Tuesday, November 8th.